Hello everyone, this is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to successfully search for jobs, interact with recruiters, and land that interview that you are longing for as an Agile practitioner, or if you are in any walks of life. One thing that I've noticed is that people may be ready. They are interview ready. They have the understanding of how to successfully pass an interview. They have the experience they need, but they just don't know how to go about searching for jobs, engaging with recruiters through the point of landing an interview for themselves. So that is going to be our focus for today. At the end of this video, you will learn how to search for jobs, and I'm going to provide a customized text message or message that you may use to connect and engage with your recruiter that will eventually land you that interview that you are looking for. So please don't miss any step of this video. Watch till the very end. If this is your first time here, you're very welcome. Here we talk about Agile, project management, product development. We share tips. We simplify Agile to a point where anyone should be able to understand. And if you have any contribution to make as we go through this video, please leverage the comment section and drop your thoughts, and so we all can continuously learn and expand together in this Agile space. Now, let's go straight into the point. How do you go about searching for jobs, especially on the internet? One of the common ways that people will search for jobs, that's a common way we all use: LinkedIn, Indeed.com. There are different career sites. You have Glassdoor, you have Monster.com, you have Dice, you have, what's the other one? So those are the common ones. Even on Google, those are the common places that you can actually search for a role. Now, you search for the roles and then you apply for the roles and then you wait forever. You never get any feedback, never get any response. They ghost you, and sometimes you will also get that unpleasant, "We are so sorry, we decided to move forward with another candidate," and stuff like that. You never have that opportunity to even show what you got, what you're able to bring to that organization. So today, this video will help you be able to maneuver that better. Now, the common platform, or one of the best platforms that people would search for jobs, is LinkedIn. And what typically people would do is they will go to LinkedIn, go to the search bar, and then look up the role, and they just start applying, and that's it. And then they sit back and wait. That is good, but it can be better. That's not good enough. So how do you go about increasing the probability to be noticed or get a response from these recruiters? My recommendation would be, after you have applied for these roles, don't just go sit back and pray and hope that something happens. No, take action. And a very effective additional step that you will take is you want to reach out to these recruiters. Sometimes the recruiters will put their information there. You can clearly see the name of whoever, the name, email, contact information on LinkedIn, contact information of whoever posted that role. So a very effective way, which is what most people don't leverage for different reasons. They're scared, they're not sure, they don't just know, is you contacting these recruiters. Reach out to them personally through LinkedIn, their inbox. Let them know. Express your interest on this role and express how you think this role you may be a good fit for this role. So how to go about, some people may know this, but they just don't know how to go about it, you see. So I have actually come up with a good customized message that when you are reaching out to your recruiters, you can actually use to send to them at no cost to you at all, that may increase. It has worked for me. It has really worked for me. And the people that are part of our internal Being Agile community space, they've leveraged this message and it has also worked for them. So why not share it with my beloved YouTube community? So right there, I will put the message on the screen. You can use this message now to customize it and make it your own. As you're reaching out to recruiters personally, send them this text message. And the reason why this template is effective, or I see it very effective, that, or some of the benefits of using this template is that it limits the back and forth communication with your recruiter. Look, right there, you will already put the necessary things like your contact information, why you are a good fit for the role, what you have to offer, something you've done that is valuable, or something that your unique value proposition, and your resume. You see, so it will, one, limit the back and forth unnecessary communication with this recruiter, because the recruiter will be able to get everything in just by having one text message, and right from there they can make that decision whether they should be moving you forward into the interview or not. The second benefit of using this is that you, right, just by the recruiter looking at the message, they can tell if you are a potential person to speak with, just by looking at your value proposition. And just by looking how you took out time, put some thought into the message and send it to them, they know that this person may be a thoughtful person, and this person may be that kind of person that like to figure things out. People looking for jobs, they will reach out to me. They will send me a message on my LinkedIn, and then they'll be like, "Hi, Karen," and then they expect a response. Why should I respond to you? I don't have that kind of time. The same for recruiters, don't have that kind of time. So if you have that opportunity to connect with a recruiter, that is an opportunity for you to pitch yourself to the best of your ability. So instead of just go posting a hi and waiting for them to respond to you, they're not looking to get anything from you. Put everything that is necessary for them to know about you and why you're reaching out to them. And then from there, they will determine if they should be calling you or moving forward to the next phase. Some people they can even go further to say, "Hi, Karen," and then they'll say, "I have a question." And then they're expecting me to respond and say, "Darling, what is your question?" No, I don't have that kind of time at all. If you're reaching out to me, you want to be reaching out to me and clearly already stating why you're reaching out to me. From there, I can now know what to say to you or respond to you if it's necessary. If it's important, I would definitely want to respond to you. The same for recruiters. It's the same thing. People are busy. And you have to understand that you are not the only one looking for that role. You are not the only open candidate. We have thousands of people, especially in this agile market. One of my students said the other time that it is real on the Scrum Street. Scrum Streets are crazy. So if recruiters, they have so many other candidates that are interested. So why should they pick interest in you? You see, so this is one of the importance too of using this template. It will help you, guide you to be able to, just by sending one sweet short message to pitch yourself, have that opportunity to give the recruiter everything in one shot, what they need to be able to make that decision if they should contact you or respond to you or not. You see, so I hope this was helpful. Please, if you have other ideas on how to go about this, reach out, share it on the comment section so that we all can continuously learn and grow together. Lest I forget that we offer fantastic training on Agile Scrum Master, the Agile ways of working. And we have other programs coming up. Please join our community. Visit our website, check right up there for our contact information. Visit our website and go through our programs. Enroll on any that you think will best meet your need. If you're not sure on which program to enroll in, whether you should be taking the Scrum Master training, look, sometimes you may already have the certification, but it doesn't mean you have an understanding of the concept. So for us, if you want to get into a second level of our program, which most people take, we don't only want you to have a certification. We want to make sure that your understanding of the concept has been validated. So go through our different programs and check if you truly understand the concept, and if you're able to see that you understand the concept, and then you can enroll in our level 2. But if you don't understand our concept, our level 1 will be best for you. Our level 1 is a customized Scrum Master training program that is geared towards providing to you all what you need to be successful as a Scrum Master from a theoretical standpoint, with real life practical examples, and that will help you to go pass your certification and validate your understanding of the concept. And then after that, you can now get a mentor that will guide you, show you how to do the job and how to pass that interview. And if you're already doing the job, you're struggling with keeping the job, that's the worst thing. You don't want to lose that job when you've sweat to get it. You see, so reach out to us. We'll be glad to get you into one of our slots for mentoring, one-on-one mentoring for level 3, and help you keep that job and sustain success. Thank you so much, and I hope to talk to you another time. Bye. Oh, good news. I'm so excited to let you all know that we have great things in the pipeline right now. We are currently designing a facilitation training course that will help especially our Scrum Masters that are struggling with facilitation. And that facilitation is one of your core stands that you cannot not be good at. You see, you have to be good to be successful as a Scrum Master with facilitation. So, because most of our Scrum Masters are struggling with facilitating their events, their meetings, and all of that, we are coming up with a fantastic facilitation course that will help you enhance your facilitation skills so that when you go back to that job, you will be killing it. So that is what is on the pipeline right now. So please look out for this facilitation course. We plan to launch it this year, but I will keep you posted with the development. We are so excited about this and hope to see people showing more interest to take this program. So please stay tuned.